injection, and it helps you lose weight.
Love you, and I need you,
Hi guys, I'm Lovey. I don't know if you guys have been seeing all over, they've been talking about this new celebrity weight loss drug called Ozempic, okay? And I'm kind of like, what is this? Like, why is everybody talking about it? I want to know about it. So I decided to do a little bit of research and do a video on it. So all the tea and all the information that you guys need to know about Ozempic. Supposedly all these celebrities, they basically claim that they lost a lot of weight. Ozempic is a medication for adults that are type 2 diabetic, and it basically helps people that are type 2 diabetic manage their blood sugar. That's the whole point for the drug. So the drug was not made to the entire public. It was made for people that have specifically type 2 diabetes. So basically what it's going to do is it's an injection. So the type of drug is an injection. It's not a pill form. And basically you take this injection. I don't know if it's every day. I'm not sure. We're going to get more into it. But basically you take this injection and it helps you lose weight. Okay, so one of the good things about Ozempic is that it helps you suppress your appetite, so which is amazing. I don't know if you guys ever took like if you guys ever done intermittent fasting, or if you guys took any like appetite suppressor. It really helps suppress your appetite and helps you feel full, so you don't have to be eating every day. So that's number 2. Number 3, there's another drug called Wegovy, and you spell that drug W-E-G-O-V. W-E-G-O-V-Y. That's called Wegovy. Now, Wegovy is a drug that's similar to Ozempic and is for people with type 2 diabetes. So what they did was, because people with type 2 diabetes were already using Ozempic, they made Wegovy, which was something that they would put out to the entire general public for everyone to be able to use. Okay, should I try it? Because you know I'm trying to lose weight too, so we're gonna get into it. So is it really worth it? So the thing about Ozempic, just like any other diet, if you get off Ozempic, you end up regaining the weight, just like any other diet. If you get off of it, or if, like for me, when I stopped being keto when I was pregnant and I started eating carbs back, I gained a whole bunch of weight versus when I wasn't doing keto. So the bad thing about Ozempic is if you get off the drug, you're gonna regain all your weight. If you haven't already, girl, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and of course drop something in the comments. So the benefits of Ozempic is that overall it is a good drug for people with type 2 diabetes. So if you are type 2 diabetic and you are watching this video, Ozempic will definitely help you lose weight. So if you have obesity as well, or if you're like, you know, heavy, more heavier on the plus size than normal, if you take Ozempic, it will also help you lose weight as well. However, I do want you guys to know that this is something that you have to do long term. Okay, another benefit of Ozempic is that it will help you reduce the rate of heart attacks. If you have had heart attacks in the past, or just if you never had a heart attack before, it will actually help you reduce your rate of heart attacks, strokes, and also people with type 2 diabetes. Another benefit is, of course, you lose weight. But only certain people can take Ozempic according to the research that I'm doing. So that means if you are 18 and under, if you are pregnant, if you are breastfeeding, if you are type 1 diabetic, if you have any kind of pancreatic cancer, or anything going on with your pancreas or anything like that, they recommend don't take it at all. And I would suggest that you consult with a doctor. But you guys, before you guys even take this medication, I would ask you guys to make sure that you can take this with your doctor before you just jump and take it. But that's a whole nother story right there. So some side effects. So some side effects of Ozempic are nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and constipation. Some other side effects that they have are thyroid or cancer, etc. However, it will subdue over time. So these are just side effects that you have. They won't remain with you long term. After a while, the side effects will go away, but it's some side effects that they did notice on certain people when they were taking Ozempic. Number 9, if you think this medication is right for you because you're a type 2 diabetic, or you just want to look into Wegovy, I would make sure that, you know, of course, speak to your doctor to make sure that you can take this medication. And again, most, like if you have Medicaid or you have like insurance from your job, most insurances don't cover the medication. The cost of the medication is between $1,200 to $1,500 with just Ozempic, and I think Wegovy is the same price. And there were a few other celebrities that was talking about, like Elon Musk and a few other celebrities that, you know, stated that they lost weight from it, but then they also stated that when they got off of it, they started to gain all the weight back. So that is all the tea on the new drug Ozempic. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys later.